Okay, welcome guys, and today is very interesting questions up here. So I'm discussing over here how to install mail tracker. So the necessity of mail tracker, you can see this little icon here, and if you go to settings, and thereafter you need to allow through your email. So this is mail tracker. So after how to install mail tracker, so there's a lots of screen, and see here there's a little bit of a puzzles type of icon. So click here and go to the manage extensions. Here you can see this mail tracker. You can load extensions, or you can create a shortcut about this extension, the email tracker. So here email, if I create this email, so this is email tracker. So first of all, how to install email tracker? This is extensions. So this is a browser enabling system. So there's lots of there's a cookies, and sorry, there are lots of plugins. Actually, this is a plugin you need to install. So if you go to and search for the email tracker, so there's a Google Chrome, and here there's an extension. So I'm going to give this link to my video description below, so you can easily click on this link and go to this mail tracker. So what is the necessity of email tracker? If you send to someone email, so you can't know this email is read or not. So that's the reason. Here you can see this double green check, this indicating that this email is read. Okay, so this is a WhatsApp type of style. So double check mark is indicating that email is read by someone or open by someone. So there are lots of things, but lots of email tracker available in the Google Chrome Web Store Marketplace. Here you can see this Web Store Marketplace. Okay, so first of all, you need to sign in through your email address. Okay, and here you can search email tracker. You can see this is a lots of email tracker. Okay, so three email tracker. So first off, this is a review. This is a very good product. I'm personally use this, and it's a very good result. And its price of subscriptions is $10. And if you don't want to use the subscriptions, don't worry, you can use it free. And free versions, what you get in the free versions, you can actually see this is this email is read or not. But if you want to see this whom to this person is forwarding your mail, so in that case you need to give some price. So here you can see the features, unlimited email tracker. So what you need to do, first of all, actually I have already installed this, so I'm removing this one for this, showing you how to install. So just for other purpose, I'm just hitting OK. Just so this track. So this is removed. So now you can see this is the online learning box email. So how I can know this is the email is read or not. So hit here and add to extension. So here you can see this extension here. See these extensions and connect with Google. So connect with Google. So here I'm going to connect with my browser. So password, don't worry about that the email tracker does not store your password. And see, this is the features. It's just to $1 something. Just select this. If you select this plan, this is a pro plan and this is advanced plan. So I'm going to use this free plan and sorry, so here this is the free plan features. There's unlimited tracking here. This is so if you satisfied with this unlimited tracking, so don't worry, sign up with the free plan. So here the pro plan or the advanced plan. So this is for the testing purpose. Just accept this all, because here in the cookies, and here you can see this cookies actually the other video I will teach you how to use cookies and other purpose. So this is actually installing. Go to the mail. So this is opening your mail. So this is my another channel. This is enable. So connect to this all of your email. This connectivity, it's creating a connectivity, and it's allow. If you allow, so here you can see this sign up. So go to the Gmail. So there are lots of Gmail. So here you can see this is extension. See, extensions is enable. In your case it should be like this, and you need to enable like this, and you can see this details. Okay, and if you want to check this incognito mode or something like that, you can just enable this browsers and this and allow this incognito mode. And what is incognito mode? This is actually here, and see this incognito mode. So your browsing history and data does not store in like this incognito mode. That's Google saying that, but fact is it's no, it's this cookies and site data is all the information's activity is hidden. When you are want to hidden something secret, so you can use this incognito mode. But basically is that this incognito mode for if you want to use in a guest purpose. Okay, use any website in guest mode, so you can use this incognito mode. So I think this if you are going to use this there's a little bit of check mode should be appear, and when to if I to see this, I'm just sending hi subject test. Okay, so if you send this mail to someone, and after that if he or she open up this mail, that kind of mail, so you can already get a hit. See, this is I'm opening this thing, and now you can immediately get notifications like that. Notifications, because it's takes some time. So notification like that, this I need to notifications of email track. So email notifications like this. There are also see this is email notifications like this. If someone open up your email, the sending email, and you can get this email. That's someone when he or she open your email, and this is your email notifications. You get this email notifications. So it's here. This you should on this enable in this is settings, and there's the settings. Don't worry about that. That's email tracker actually does not store your data. Okay, there's a pro versions. If you are want to choose this plan, you can use this plan. Okay, and but I think that's if you just satisfied with this email track and only want to check this email, that kind of email is read or not read. And if you satisfy that purpose, you can use these things. Only this is free versions, and this is enough for the personal use. And but if you are want to use this for the office use, you can use this activity dashboard. There's lots of features, and I think it's a very good. And if you click here for upgrade this plan, and you can see there are lots of plan options. Okay, well, thank you very much. If you see this is a very helpful tutorial, please hit the like button, and thank you. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.